Hi guys, welcome back. In my previous video I showed you how this thing works. If you are not familiar with it, you can go and watch my previous video. In this video I'm going to measure all the stages of a power supply, and this machine here will be my alternating current source. The first step here, I cut these wires into small pieces in which I will connect them to the AC input of the power supply and the output. The first thing here, I connect the first wire to the live input and the second wire to the neutral input. I connected the wires for alternating current into the machine. I brought my small oscilloscope to measure the wave input. To do this, I connected the positive to the live wire and the negative to the neutral wire. The wave inputs on the oscilloscope shows a modified square wave with a frequency of around 60 Hz. This is close to the AC mains, which is always a pure sine wave, although it is also not always perfect. This is due to a variety of contamination in the transmission lines. The causes of all those contaminations can be inductors and various resistors. Now the second step is to measure the rectification stage. I used my probes to touch the positive polarities of the diodes, and it shows a straight line on the oscilloscope. Now the second step is to measure the frequency which enters the transformer. This is always high frequency, around 60 kHz. Before doing so, I first soldered positive and negative wire at the output. This was to ensure that we get correct results, because I need to put a load at the output. For this case, the load will be the machine itself. I'll just connect a wire that charges it. The machine charges at around 12 to 16 volts, and the output of the power supply is around 14 volts or 15 volts. So it should work just fine. So I went on to connect it. Now the next step, I used my probes to connect to the oscillation circuit. The oscillations can be seen on the oscilloscope. The oscillations are displayed in form of a square wave with a frequency of around 64 kHz. Now the last step, I connected the probes of the oscilloscope to the output of the power supply. This shows a straight line on the oscilloscope, which is at the positive side. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so that you are the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.